FinTOCH released a statement that FTC is expected to be launched in early June 2023. FinTOCH'S headquarters is located in Silicon Valley, California. After FTC officially launched, in early June 2023, the mining mode will be activated. FinSol has successfully launched and plans to launch other sectors. FinTOCH is committed to closely integrating artificial intelligence with digital finance. The company is expected to be listed on NASDAQ in 2024 and comply with the regulatory requirements of SEC. FinTOCH will invest a large amount of funds to accelerate the construction of the public chain ecosystem. The public chain can provide more possibilities for the development of decentralized finance.